Uh, Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Yeah. You know what? I was supposed to go to a RTA meeting, but I guess they rescheduled. It was supposed to be today at 5:30, but technically it's next Wednesday, okay, on the 8th. I'm not upset about it, because look what I got. Look what I got. Okay? Yeah. I mean, so many people do not be excited about something like this, but I'm kind of excited about this. I got it big. Yeah. Woo, woo. All right. All right. All right. Woo. Wait a minute. How do you like this? A tad bit disappointed, but it's not with the current routes. This with the old route, you know, the last route, you know, because they didn't. Well, all that excitement for nothing, or something like that. Well, oh well. I'm about to show y'all what I mean, okay? I'm about to show y'all what I mean, okay? All right, look. So this was for last time, you know. You see, this is for last time, you know. The 32 and the 31 goes here, they come here and here and here and here, and then go back and that, you know. This was from last time, you know. Okay. Well, I'll probably get another one soon. Okay. Well, excitement for nothing. Well, I mean, teeny tiny bit pinch disappointed, but not that much disappointed. But I'm gonna go to the next meeting. I mean, say the meeting next Wednesday. Okay, they said at 5:30, so I guess they rescheduled it. All right, so this gonna go on my gaming channel and my vlogging channel. Okay, so my gaming channel is my vlogging channel as well. Okay. Y'all don't just see gaming on a Domino 866 gameplay channel, you know? Okay? All right, so that's okay, y'all. And for that security guard, that's okay, you know? I'm not mad, okay? So, ain't nothing but a small, teeny, whatever, you know? So don't no, ain't no use scratching your butt over spilled milk. Scratching your butt over spilled milk. Scratching your behind over spilled milk, or tearing your hair out over spilled milk or spilled beer, you know. All right. Spilled beer, spilled milk, whatever. All right, so now that security guard told me all I gotta do is relax. Relax. Okay? That's all. Okay. That's all. Okay. Well, got RTA map. Disappointment strikes. Oh, well. Ain't nothing to get mad about. But okay. Thank y'all for watching so far. All right? Peace out.